Poetic devices are invisible tools that work on the reader's and listener's mind. These devices are used by poets to create rhythm in order to enhance a poem's meaning or exaggerate a feeling or mood dwellings. So today we will talk about few of these poetic devices one by one. So let's know about alliteration first. Alliteration is a repetition of initial consonant sounds in the same line. Like some say the world will end in fire. Here the sound of consonant S is repeated, and same way world will end in fire. Here the sound of W, that is W, is repeated. World will. Same way, second example, I hold those who favor fire. So here the sound F is repeated of the consonant F. Same way, other examples, roaming round. So here R, sound of R, that is R, is repeated. Same way, last, stop, that slouching and sit up straight. Here sa sound is repeating. Now next poetic device is simile. Now simile is a direct comparison drawn between two objects, like Arjun ran like the wind. The moon is broken like a mirror. So here Arjun is compared to the wind, the speed. Moon is broken like a mirror. So here we are comparing two objects by using a word like. Same way here, the little girl did not want to be found, so she was as quiet as a mouse. Here we use the word as. So we see that we use like or as to compare two things in the simile. Let's see some more examples. The night was suddenly as black as coal. So here the darkness of night is compared to coal. Now let's take up metaphor. Now metaphor is used when the quality of one thing is transferred to another thing. Like the old woman could not go out due to her illness. Her house was her prison. So here her house is compared to the prison, but we did not use like here. We just implied the simile here. Same way, time is money. Life is a journey. She is an early bird. Let's see some more examples. Her eyes were daggers. His words were poisoned darts. Now, let's see the next device, that is repetition. It's a technique to repeat the same words or phrases or sometimes a full sentence several times to make the idea more memorable and clear to the reader. For example, velvet, quiet, quiet, rage. The word quiet is repeated. Same way, brilliant eyes, brilliant stars. So here the word brilliant is repeated. Let's see the other examples. I stand and look at them long and long. And miles to go before I sleep. And miles to go before I sleep. So in the last example, their line is repeated in the next line also. So this is repetition. Now the next poetic device, refrain. Now this is just similar to repetition, but there is a little difference between these two poetic devices. Let us see. So when a phrase, verse or verses repeated at intervals in a song or a poem, as after each stanza, then there is refrain. For example, once I heard an angel singing when the morning was springing, peace, mercy, pity is the way world releases. Once I heard an angel singing. So here, so this line, once I heard an angel singing, is repeated. So this is the main difference. Like in repetition, the line repeats in the same stanza, whereas in refrain, a line repeats in other stanzas also. Now let's move to personification. Now the human qualities or emotions are assigned to inanimate things or abstract ideas, like the trees dance joyously. Here the trees are being treated as humans because they don't dance. Let's see more examples. Thunder clapped angrily in the distance. Now here thunder, which is an inanimate object, has been given the human quality of anger and the ability to clap. There are few more examples. Fate frowned on his efforts. Time stood still. Opportunity knocked on my door. So this fate, time, opportunity, these all are abstract ideas which are treated as human beings. Let's wind. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.